If you have oil leaking from the back of your LT1 motor, you're going to want to check out this video because you may be able to fix it quickly and for free. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Alright guys, so I developed a massive oil leak at the back of the LT1 and I couldn't figure out what it was. I figured it might have been the intake manifold gasket, and I was on YouTube and I stumbled across someone who stated that the issue with theirs was that the bolts had backed their way out and were hand tight. So I went and checked mine. So there's two bolts at the back of the manifold. There's one bolt right here, then there's one a little further back that's, see if you, right there, that's just under the EGR valve, and I actually had to back out the bolts on the EGR valve to push it back so I can get to that furthest back bolt. So that's on the driver's side. If we come across to the passenger side, these are really easy to see. There's one bolt right here, and then the second one right there. These two bolts, they literally were so loose I could unscrew them with my fingers. So these four bolts, I just torqued them down to 35 foot-pounds. And here's a diagram of that. You will see bolt numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12. At the back of the engine, those are the ones that back themselves out. And after I torqued them down, I did not have a leak anymore. It saved me time, saved me money. I was actually going to put the car in the shop, but all I had to do was torque them down to 35 foot-pounds and the leak was gone. So make sure you guys try this out. I didn't even think that that was a possible solution, that all I would have to do was tighten some bolts, but it really was. So I don't know if this would be the issue for you, but try it out. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.